Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our egg fried rice, I've just got a bit of oil in the pan, hot oil, and then we're getting our rice in, so that's really hot. So we just want to stir the rice a bit to get it to start cooking, and we're going to get some more oil in because that's way too hot. And then get the eggs in, and you just want to stir. Yeah, so you just want to keep it moving around. I'm actually going to turn the heat off now. Also get in some frozen peas, a handful, or more if you love frozen peas, it's all good. And so you just want to keep the egg moving around the pan. Always a bit sticks on the bottom, and that's okay. It just comes off really easily when you just soak the pan after you cook it, and then by the time you finish eating, it'll all come off. Yeah, so when it's looking nice and cooked like that, then we just want to get in some soy sauce. So I usually don't measure this, but yeah, about 2 tablespoons. Just give it a good stir around the pan, and then taste, and you can always add more soy if you like. And then our eggy rice is good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one. Okay, so for our egg fried rice, I've just got a bit of oil in the pan, hot oil, and then we're getting our rice in, so that's really hot.